Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up two-factor authentication for your Shopify account. By the end of this video, you'll have an extra layer of security protecting your store, making sure only you and those you trust can access your admin. If you're serious about keeping your business safe, this is a must, so let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head to your Shopify admin page. This is the main dashboard where you run your store. Think of it as mission control for everything Shopify related. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials as usual. A small tip: make sure you're on a secure network before doing any security updates, just for that extra peace of mind. Now, up at the top right of your Shopify dashboard, you'll see your profile icon. It's usually a little avatar or maybe your initials. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. You might see your email address, profile settings, and other account-specific features. From here, you'll want to find and click on Security. This section is where Shopify keeps the tools for protecting your account, including things like password resets and, of course, two-factor authentication. If you don't see Security right away, don't worry. Sometimes menus look a bit different depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile. So just look for keywords like Settings or Account Security if needed. Once you've made it to the security settings, scroll down until you see the section on two-factor authentication, sometimes called two-step verification. You might notice other recommendations for boosting your security here, but for today, we'll focus on just the two-factor piece. Find the button that says Turn on Two-Step and give it a click. Now, this is the key moment. Shopify is going to ask you for a phone number. This step is there so that Shopify can send you a verification code whenever you log in. It'll be an extra checkpoint to make sure it's really you. Enter your phone number carefully. Double check it for typos because this is where your security codes will go. Once you submit your number, Shopify will send you a quick verification code by text. Pause for a moment and check your messages. It usually arrives within a few seconds, but if it takes a little longer, don't stress. Sometimes network delays happen, so just be patient. When the code comes in, enter it on Shopify to confirm that it's working. After you've put in that code and Shopify verifies it, congratulations, you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication. From now on, each time you log in, you'll need both your password and a code sent directly to your phone. It's a bit like having a double-locked door for your store. If someone has your password, they'd still need access to your phone to get in. And that's it. You're all set. I know that was pretty straightforward, but adding two-factor authentication is one of the most effective moves you can make to protect your online business. If anything felt tricky or you ran into issues, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing so you won't miss out on future Shopify tips and tricks. And if there's something specific you want to know more about, let me know in the comments. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.